A very good morning, my beloved University Supervisor, Mr. Dr. Hang, and my Industrial Supervisor, Mr. Muhammad Nazli Shah. My name is Ananda Muthusamy and metric number is BO91810031. Now I am going to present about my industrial report. The first topic is introduction of company. SKF has been leading global technology provider since 1907. We achieved this by combining hands-on experience in over 40 industries with our knowledge across the SKF technology platforms, such as bearings, unit and seals, mechatronics services, and lubrication system. The group has its headquarters in sales companies supported by 140 countries. Manufacturing and operational site more than 120. And last is the world leader in bearing technology for 100 years. SKF provides the heart of almost every type of machinery. There are three types of bearings are manufactured in SKF Nilai. First is deep groove ball bearing. Second is self-aligning ball bearing, and third is spherical roller bearing. Okay, now I'm going to talk about vision of SKF Nilai. The SKF vision is to equip the world with customers in many industries and industry segments, each with its own technical and commercial challenges. Second is to enable them to develop their business successfully and profitably. The third is to equip the world with SKF knowledge. The mission of the SKF is to strengthen SKF global leadership and sustain profitable growth by being the preferred company, such as for our customers, distributors and suppliers, for our employers and for our shareholders. The next part is my monthly work report. The basic jobs I have done almost every day is change transfer belt and adjust alignment, change pneumatic valves, change hydraulic filter, change pneumatic hoses, change timing belt and spindle pulley. The special jobs are repair chip conveyor, rectify gearbox leaking, repair imman pack gearbox and check condition of chain and sprocket in heat treatment, and rectify the air leakages and repair the leakages. The project I have done in 6 months internship period is rectify air leakages and repair the leakages. This job is done almost all production channels. The objective of this project is to reduce the electrical cost in plant and to reduce the breakdown time of machines. Okay, now I am going to explain the tools used for this project. The first tool is Fluke Thermal Imager. This tool used to find out the leakages by the thermal image. Second is Festo valves, actuator and regulators. These are the components mostly the air leakages find out. So we used to change the valves or actuators when the leakages is founded. These are the example work done for this project. There are new cylinders has been changed, new valve and new pneumatic hoses are changed and organized well. Okay, now I am going to talk about comment and suggestions. The first comment is amount of training. The suggestion I can give is the firm should recruit more trainees to enhance the company productivity and during the peak period. The second is segregations of duties. The firm should segregate the duties between administrative and production departments. so it can help company to enhance the quality of product and work. The third one is increase allowance for trainees. The firm should increase the allowance for trainee to enhance the work of trainee. Next part is recommendation. From my experience during industrial training, I am pleased to recommend SKF for the student who want to do internship and student who would like to know about bearing process. This company are so good for students who do internship. They can learn more about bearing process, and also they can improve their skills on machinery works and maintenance works. Next is conclusion. In my opinion, this industrial training gives me good exposure about the working world. I acquire many new knowledge and skills which help me in my future career. I also managed to apply some of the theories which learned during my training. The working experience exposes me to the nature of working life, which requires one to be self-confident and brave besides being independent and patient. This program helped me to identify my strength and weakness. On this program, I am also learned how to troubleshoot the problems of machines and how to improvise the machine system.